So in today's video, I'm going to tell you about how to log out your Google account. If you accidentally log in into your friends or your parents' phone and you want to log out your Google account because most of your personal things are being synced to that device. So let's get started. So what you have to do is go to your Gmail account, then go to your profile. You can see I have logged in with the 4 different accounts in this particular device. And let's take an example. If I want to remove this account, so if I go to this account, Google account, I'll tap on it. Then you can see there is no particular option of Google logout. So the main question arises, how to log out? So what you have to do is just go to settings. In settings, just scroll down. In that you will find users and accounts. I'll just tap on it. I'll tap onto Google. So in that you can see I have logged in with 4 different accounts in this particular device, and I want to delete this one. And in this particular thing, you can see many things that I have given permission to this particular account to sync or to basically upload in the drive. And that is calendar, contacts, docs, drive, Gmail, etc, etc. We just want to check that if this account is still active or how much permission I have given to this particular account. So we'll go back to our main Google. We'll just tap on it again, and in the bottom one you can see manage accounts on this device. I'll just tap on it. I'll just tap on the Google one. Again, we are going to the same page that we have gone previously. I'll tap on this Naveen, same, and in this I'll tap on the 3 dots that are on the top right corner, and in that you can see remove account. I'll just tap on it. Removing this account will delete all of its messages, contacts and other data from the phone. If yes, then remove account. Click on it. Now you can see I have logged in with only just 3 accounts. 1 account has been logged out completely from this particular device, and that's it. So that's all for today. I'll meet you in the next one. Until then, take care.